Hello friends, I am Sanjiv Nanda and I am sharing with you the introduction of GST for your reference. It's a new tax. See, people call it as goods and services tax. I call it as a game changer, seamless and transparent tax. Now what has happened in GST is that previously the central and the state government both were levying certain taxes, like the center was levying the excise duty and center was levying the service tax and the states were levying the VAT and entertainment tax and luxury tax and a few other taxes. Now what has happened is after the constitutional amendment of 101st constitutional amendment, the state taxes which were on the state tax list, and the central taxes which were on the central tax list have now been integrated on the concurrent list of the Constitution of India. That is for which the constitutional amendment was brought in, so that both state and center will now levy tax together on that. And for this purpose, a GST council has been created, and the GST council consists of all the finance ministers of all the states and the union finance minister or the central finance minister, and together the GST council has got 100% votes, out of which 33% votes or 1/3 votes are with the central government, central finance minister, and the 67.67% votes are with the state finance minister. Hi friends, so we are a firm of management consultants and chartered accountants called Smarthead Consulting, and we see this is where what will happen to people who are not taking proper care. Then their business will be like this, they will get entangled in all this. People who understand GST and take care will be like this. So you should be on this side of the fence rather than on this side of the fence. That is my prayer and request to you. So please understand this and do it accordingly. So background to GST is that, see, GST people say is goods and services tax. I say it's a game changer, it's a seamless credit, and it's a transparent system of tax rather than just goods and services tax. So let's start with the introduction and the background. See, the introduction is that in France this started in 1954, and then for another 20 years nothing much happened. Everybody was observing France, and it was limited to just 10 countries till 1970. But then today, now under about 157 countries are now following the GST system. International Monetary Fund is strongly encouraging the introduction of GST, especially in developing countries, and that is why you find that it's now applicable in India is trying to implement GST. Only continents we do not have GST is USA and Gulf, mainly because USA, it has got 52 states and it has taken India to convince 29 states about 10 years. So USA is not even attempted to